Okay, let's just get right to it. What if you could build incredibly complex automations for your business just by describing them? Seriously, today we're diving into an AI that doesn't just talk about automation, it literally builds it for you, using nothing but your own words.
I want you to be honest with yourself. Does your day feel like you're just drowning in busy work? You're constantly fighting off this storm of tiny, repetitive tasks, and you can never get to the stuff that actually grows your business?
Just think about it for a second. That endless, soul-crushing cycle of copy-pasting new leads from one sheet to another.
Or, how about this one? Manually updating every single customer record in your CRM. By hand. Click by tedious click.
And that feeling, that absolute frustration when you're just trying to get your essential apps to talk to each other and they just won't. Look, it's not just exhausting, right? It's a major bottleneck on your entire business.
And here's the kicker. Here's why it's so incredibly hard. You decide, okay, I'm going to automate this. And then you immediately smash into this, the automation wall. It's this giant wall of technical jargon that just stops most business owners dead in their tracks. Webhooks, API calls, JSON, ugh. For so many people, this is exactly where the dream of automation just dies.
But wait, what if you didn't have to climb that wall? What if you had a translator? Something that could take your business goals in plain English and speak that complex technical language for you. Well, say hello to the NN Automation Agent. It's your personal expert builder for NN, that super powerful platform for connecting all your different apps.
So here's the core idea, and it's actually really simple. This agent is an AI expert whose entire job is to be your translator. You just describe what you want to get done in normal, everyday language, and it goes and builds the powerful, production-ready automation for you right behind the scenes. It's that easy. And what's so cool is how it even introduces itself. This isn't just some faceless tool, It's AI Lias, your personal AI prompt optimizer. It literally takes your vague request and transforms it into this super precise, effective blueprint. Seriously, you should think of it as the newest and probably smartest member of your team.
And this right here, this sums it all up perfectly. On one side, that's you. You just say what you want in simple words. On the other side, that's the agent, handling all the technical heavy lifting and building the complete NN workflow. It's an absolute game changer.
Okay, enough talk. Let's get to the really good part. Let's see this thing in action and watch how it turns a simple wish into a real working workflow.
So imagine this is you. You type in a really valuable business goal, but in totally non-technical language. Something every single business wants. Faster, smarter follow-up with new leads. And notice, there's no code here, no weird jargon. It's just what you want to happen.
And just like that, boom, the agent is on it. And it's not just thinking about one little piece of the puzzle. It is architecting the entire solution from the ground up, using professional best practices.
And would you look at that? It doesn't just spit out a messy chunk of code. No way. It delivers a complete professional-grade solution package. You're getting documentation, the actual workflow file you can import, templates for your passwords and keys, even test files, and a breakdown of potential risks. This isn't just a shortcut, folks. This is a professional accelerator.
Okay, so you're probably wondering, how on earth does it create something so professional without me needing a computer science degree? Well, let's pop the hood and see what makes this thing so powerful and so reliable.
First off, rock-solid reliability. The agent is built to prefer official NN components, and it automatically includes really smart error handling. So what does that mean for you? It means this isn't some flimsy, taped-together workflow. It's built to be dependable so it won't break right when you need it the most.
Next up, it's actually smart. It knows the rules of the road online. It understands tricky things like rate limiting, which basically means it knows not to hammer other apps with too many requests at once. It plays nice, so you don't get your accounts blocked. It builds automations that aren't just powerful, they're also good digital citizens. And finally, and this is huge, everything it creates is 100% production ready from the second it's generated. This is not a toy for you to mess around with. It's a professional tool, and it delivers workflows that are designed for real-world business use, ready to go to work for you immediately. Look, every single minute you are spending on manual, repetitive tasks is a minute you're not spending on growing your business. It's time to stop wasting that time. I mean, right now. So the only question left is this: are you ready to get all that time back?
Are you ready to put the most boring, tedious parts of your business on a smart, reliable autopilot so you can finally focus on what actually matters?
Then here's what you need to do. Go to eliascoularez.com right now. You can get instant, free access to the N8N automation agent and try it yourself. Seriously, stop just wishing you could automate. It's time to start building it.